Blockchain technology is often called the backbone of cryptocurrency. But what exactly is it? And why is it so revolutionary?
Whether you're new to crypto or already an investor, understanding blockchain is crucial.
By the end of this video, you'll have a complete grasp of how it works, its security features, and its potential beyond cryptocurrency.
Imagine a digital ledger that records transactions, but instead of being stored in a single database, it's copied and spread across thousands of computers worldwide.
This is what makes blockchain secure, transparent, and decentralized.
1. How blockchain works. A blockchain is simply a chain of blocks, where each block contains a list of transactions, a unique identifier called a hash, a reference to the previous block's hash, creating an unbreakable chain. Once a block is added to the chain, it cannot be altered, ensuring security and trust in the system. 2. Why is blockchain secure? The security of blockchain relies on 3 core principles. Decentralization. No single entity controls the network, reducing risks of fraud. Cryptographic hashing. Each block's data is converted into a unique hash, making tampering nearly impossible. Consensus mechanisms. These ensure transactions are verified before being added to the blockchain. 3. Consensus mechanisms. Explained blockchain networks rely on different methods to validate transactions.
The 2 most popular are proof of work, POW, used in Bitcoin. Miners solve complex puzzles to validate transactions.
While secure, it requires massive energy. Proof of stake, POS, used in Ethereum, where validators are chosen based on the amount of cryptocurrency they hold, making it more energy efficient. There are also newer consensus models like delegated proof of stake, DPoS, and proof of authority, POA, each designed to improve efficiency and scalability.
4. Smart contracts. Blockchain beyond cryptocurrency. Blockchain is not just for digital currencies. It also powers smart contracts, self-executing agreements coded directly into the blockchain.
These contracts eliminate middlemen, making processes like loans, insurance claims, and real estate transactions faster and cheaper. 5. Real-world applications of blockchain. Blockchain technology is transforming multiple industries. Finance. Secure, transparent transactions without intermediaries. Supply chain. Tracking goods from production to delivery. Healthcare. Secure storage of medical records. Voting systems. Tamper-proof elections. Even governments are exploring central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, powered by blockchain, proving its long-term potential. 6. The future of blockchain technology. With ongoing innovations in Layer 2 solutions, interoperability, and quantum-resistant cryptography, blockchain is set to redefine digital trust.
Major corporations, banks, and even entire economies are investing in blockchain solutions.
Understanding blockchain is the first step to mastering cryptocurrency. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more deep insights into the crypto world.